Hello guys, this is Piano Green and today I'm showing you how to turn your Scratch projects into an application. So basically you copy this link, Control C or Command C if you're using Mac, and then you paste it into this website which is packager.turbowarp.org. I'll put the link in the description. So basically you enter it here, you press load project, you wait for it to load, and once you've done this, there's a whole bunch of options. It's pretty simple if you just read them and press the question marks. Anyways, you can select or drop a file for the icon and loading screen and stuff like that. You can customize how you want it to be. And then you can package it as HTML, which is basically a web page, a zip, which is kind of the same thing, or an application for Windows, Mac, or Linux. So you're probably using Windows, so you should select this, but if you're using Mac or Linux, then you should select the appropriate one. Then basically you've done this, done that, and now you can press package. And then you'll see it's loading, so once it's finished loading, you can download it. So now it's downloaded down here, as you can see. We can open it to check that it's all worked. So you should see a folder in this zip, and then it should have a bunch of files. Then we can go back and drag it to any place we want, and then extract it. So you can just do that into the folder you want, extract it there. Once it's done, after it's finished, you should see this folder here. You can double click this, and then we double click this application. It should say something.exe, or if you're in Mac or Linux, I'm not sure, something like this. Double click it, and then it will load, and then you can see we have our project here. So now we can make it full screen, and then we can play our project. So yeah, that's how you convert Scratch projects to an application. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or feedback, make sure to leave a comment. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching.